Hi guys, I'm Todd. I'm back with another video. This time I wanted to show off a 3D print of my Tesla stand. It's lighted. It goes specifically for this Tesla Cybertruck that I printed, 3D printed. I'll leave the video link up above here. And I'm going to show you how to set that up. But also, exciting news in this video, I'm going to release the contest winner of this Z Clever IP camera that I showed in this video above here. And this is going to be released to a contest winner for my giveaway that will be announced at the end of this video. So stay tuned guys, see if you're a winner. Okay, we're back guys. I used a smart light bulb. This is an E12 size base, and I also used it along with this corded rocker switch that you can splice in to this E12 base here with an unscrewable nut. And then I made a spot within the print down here. You can slide in here and put this in. We don't want to lose our light bulb there. And then put your nut on the front side of it. Just tighten that up guys. And this is cool. You can light it up in whatever color you want. I think I've got it set to rotate through the colors of the rainbow. And you can fit some of your cord down in through here. Probably cut some of it off and then splice it up properly. Right here I'm just going to show it off to you. We're going to screw our light bulb in. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Okay, it says Tesla on here. It's also got some openings. Still got some string on here. I thought I cleaned it up, but now I'm seeing it in the light. There's some openings here to show off the bottom side of your Cybertruck. Also on this side too. And I've got the base kind of angled up a bit so it shows right over the Tesla letters here. Lights will shine through here up onto the side of the truck. So remember the Tesla Cybertruck guys. I made the new updated lid for it, for the back, so it doesn't slide off the back. And here's our battery packs. Let's just turn those on. We've got our front headlight bar now and our rear tail light bar lit. We'll put our back on. And this just fits on here guys, just like this. And there's little tabs that catch the back wheel well here. And that's cool, right? All right guys, let's grab our rocker switch, turn it on, and light it up. How's it look? Pretty cool. I've got it on a rotating color mode right now. You can change the colors if you like to whatever color you want. It should be a purple, blue. We'll go green. What do you think guys? Pretty cool, right? So that's the Tesla stand for the Cybertruck. 3D printed, all 3D printed. Guys, I'll leave the file for the stand and the files again for the 3D Cybertruck down below in the description, as well as for the rocker switch and the socket and the smart light bulb. So guys, stay tuned. Next coming up is the contest giveaway winner. Alright guys, you're back. It's time for the reveal, the gift winner. This is the first ever giveaway that I've had on TW Home Show since I started the channel back in 2013, I believe. I had YouTube channels before that. They were just small, ironically, security camera help videos. But anyways, I started TW Home Show back in 2013, and it's been going like gangbusters now over the last couple years. And I decided to have a giveaway raffle contest, and on the PTZ security camera by Z Clever, and this is it right here. Anyways, guys, it worked out flawlessly. Trust me, we're gonna do this again on one of the next future videos. So I thank you all for participating. And now let's reveal the winner. Drum roll, please. The winner is Robert M. from Tennessee. Congratulations, Robert. I'm glad you helped with my contest and participating with it. I know it had some recruitment duties to do within the contest to get different raffles in order to qualify and win this PTZ camera by Z Clever. Enjoy. And guys, that's all for today. Thanks again. Subscribe if you like my channel. If not, leave me a comment below of what maybe I could do better. And guys, thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.
Tonight, throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah. All my friends are here, playing my favorite song right on top. Yeah. And we never stop. Music bumping.